Hey friends, welcome back to English with Yamini, and we are going to upgrade your skills with these simple lessons. Today, we're learning how to talk about waking up in English, from simple to fluent level. Whether you're a beginner or advanced speaker, we've got dialogues, vocabulary, and speaking practice just for you. Let's get started. So grab your notebook and let's start your day in English. Beginner dialogue, A1 A2, simple conversation, easy vocabulary. Maya. Hi, what time do you wake up? Leo. I wake up at 7 a.m. Maya. Do you use an alarm? Leo. Yes, I do. Maya. Are you sleepy in the morning? Leo. Yes, very sleepy. Maya. What do you do first? Leo. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Maya. Do you eat breakfast? Leo. Yes, I eat toast and drink tea. Practice words. Wake up, alarm, sleepy, brush, tea, toast. Voiceover instruction. Now pause and repeat after me. Try saying each line like Leo or Maya. Slide 3 intermediate dialogue, B1 B2, natural questions plus full sentences. Sarah. Hey, what's your morning routine like? Jay. I usually wake up around 6:30. I set an alarm every night. Sarah. That's early. Do you get up right away? Jay. Not really. I stay in bed for a few minutes. Sarah. Same here. What do you do after you get up? Jay. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and take a quick shower. Sarah. Sounds refreshing. Do you have time for breakfast? Jay. Yes, I usually make some eggs and toast before work. Sarah. That's a healthy start. Key phrases. Wake up around, get up right away, quick shower, before work. Instruction. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and read the dialogue with a partner out loud. Advanced dialogue, C1 C2, fluent style plus idioms plus expressions. Rachel. Are you an early bird or a night owl? Tom. Definitely an early bird. I usually wake up before 6 without an alarm. Rachel. Wow, that's impressive. What's the secret? Tom. I keep a strict sleep schedule. I go to bed by 10, no exceptions. Rachel. That discipline must pay off. What's your first move after waking up? Tom. I do a bit of stretching, then meditate for 10 minutes before heading to the kitchen. Rachel. Sounds like a mindful start. Do you eat breakfast right away? Tom. Not immediately. I drink warm water, then make oatmeal or a smoothie. Rachel. That's inspiring. I need to stop hitting the snooze button. Advanced phrases. Early bird, strict sleep schedule, mindful start, snooze button. Prompt. Try to act out this dialogue with a friend or record yourself. Use expressions naturally. Practice tasks for all levels. Use for speaking, writing, listening, and vocabulary practice 1. Role play the dialogue in pairs. Act out the dialogues from beginner, intermediate, and advanced slides. Take turns playing different roles, for example, Maya and Leo, or Sarah and Jay. Use real expressions, emotions, and gestures while you speak. Example role play. Beginner level, A1 A2, Student A, Maya, hi. What time do you wake up? Student B, Leo, I wake up at 7 a.m. Student A. Do you use an alarm? Student B. Yes, I do. Student A. Are you sleepy in the morning? Student B. Yes, very sleepy. Student A. What do you do first? Student B. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Student A. Do you eat breakfast? Student B. Yes, I eat toast and drink tea. Practice task 2. Write your own morning routine. Write 5 to 10 sentences using the present simple tense. Use these sentence starters. I usually wake up at. After brushing my teeth, then I take a shower and. I get dressed and. I eat. For breakfast. I drink. In the morning. Sometimes I listen to. While eating. Before I leave, I check. I leave home at. Beginner answer key. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower to feel fresh. I get dressed in my school, work clothes. I eat eggs and toast for breakfast. I drink a cup of tea, or coffee. Sometimes, I listen to music while I eat. Before I leave, I check my phone and pack my bag. I leave the house at 8 a.m. to catch the bus. Large diamond intermediate answer key, B1 B2. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I turn off my alarm and stretch in bed. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a quick shower. I get dressed and choose my outfit for the day. I eat scrambled eggs, toast, and fruit. I drink black tea or a smoothie. I listen to a podcast while eating. Before I leave, I check messages and emails. I leave the house at 8:15 a.m. and catch the bus. Glowing star advanced answer key, C1 C2. I usually wake up around 6:15 a.m. without an alarm. I meditate for 10 minutes to start the day calmly. I brush my teeth and use a facial cleanser. I do a short home workout or light yoga. After exercising, I take a cool shower. I dress in my work clothes or smart casual wear. I make a healthy breakfast like oatmeal with fruits and nuts. I drink black coffee or lemon water. I spend 10 minutes reading or journaling. I leave for work at 9 a.m., feeling prepared and focused. 5. Replace keywords, custom practice. Personalize the dialogue by changing times, foods, and daily habits. Original beginner dialogue sample. Maya, what time do you wake up? Leo, I wake up at 7 a.m. Maya, do you use an alarm? Leo, yes, I do. Maya, what do you do first? Leo, I brush my teeth and take a shower. Maya, do you eat breakfast? Leo, yes, I eat toast and drink tea. Custom replacements, samples. Change the time. Replace, I wake up at 7 a.m. with, I wake up at 8 a.m. I wake up at 6:45 a.m. on weekdays and 9 o'clock on weekends. Change the food and drink. Replace, I eat toast and drink tea. With, I eat idli and drink coffee. I have oatmeal and orange juice. I eat eggs and dosa with a glass of milk. Change the habit. Replace, I take a shower. With, I take a bath every morning. I do a quick workout before bathing. I meditate for 5 minutes and then freshen up. Thank you.